If you have a whole bunch of the same type of actor inside of UEFN, it may be smart to not actually add them as separate editables, but instead create an array to hold them all. This is incredibly simple. Let's go ahead and just delete the pieces we don't need. And then here under our trigger device, let's just go ahead and add in a couple of square brackets to say that, hey, this is going to be an array and this is what I want to go ahead and put inside of it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this trigger device that you see right here and literally just type in the word array. Next, let's go ahead and take the numbers at the end of this and get rid of it because it's literally just going to be triggers. Now let's go ahead and save, compile the code inside of UEFN, make any saves that we need to, and now you see that we have an array right here. We can add individual elements. In this case, we have 3, 1, 2, 3. So all I need to do is add in 3 elements by clicking this little button right here. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the eyedropper to select each one of them individually. Now a good thing to know is that if you actually add too many of these, you can delete them by simply clicking on this little button right here and go ahead and just say delete. And if you need to clear the entire array, go ahead and just click on the little bucket right here, which will dump them all in the trash.